Look at these beautiful horses. They love visitors. Look at them, so pretty. It is extremely cold today. There is no sunshine, just cold and the snow. Look at my friends. Such beautiful animals. You are so cute. You are so cute. Yes, you are. You look majestic. I love watching animals. That's what I love. You are cute, my dear. Lovely, lovely, God's creatures. So to all the people watching my videos, I would like to say thank you to you. You encourage me to do more. Look at them, royal animals. Yes, you are royal. Yes, you are such royal animals, and you love me. You love me. I have to go. I'll come again another day to watch you. Bye-bye, sweetie. Bye-bye. See you soon. Bye-bye.